Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Wii Remote not responding, resync, sensor bar and battery fix. Fix 1 is replace the batteries. Remove the battery cover, then take out the old batteries. Insert two new AA batteries correctly, then turn on the Wii and test the remote. Second one is resync the Wii Remote. Turn on your Wii's console, then open the SD card slot on the front of the Wii and press the red sync button. Then remove the battery cover on the Wii Remote and press the red sync button inside. Then wait a few seconds until the player LED stops blinking and one light stays on. Third one is check the sensor bar. Make sure the sensor bar is plugged securely into the back of the Wii console. Place the sensor bar above or below the TV, then remove any object blocking the sensor bar. Point the Wii remote toward the TV and test the cursor. Fourth one is restart the Wii console. Turn off the Wii console, then unplug the power cable from the wall for about 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in, then turn on the Wii and try using the remote again. Fifth one is reset the sync again. Turn off the Wii console, then remove the batteries from the Wii remote for 1 minute. Then reinsert the batteries and turn the Wii back on. Then perform the sync process again and test the remote. Thanks for watching.